All across Wales, people from organisations in every sector are building financial wellbeing for their colleagues, customers and communities. Together, we've started something.
Financial well-being would be that finances aren't the first or the last thing that you think of each month, that you have everything that you need, but it gives you time to focus on the things that you really enjoy doing. There's a very strong link between financial well-being and mental well-being. We find that most people come into ICANN in crisis, and often people aren't aware of the origins of their crisis when they come in. So by putting them together with a volunteer who has lived experience, we find that many times part of that crisis is a financial concern. And with that, we put them in contact or signpost them to financial experts. We offer people time. Time is the key component. We offer them a space which is safe, the time to express themselves, the time just to be.
It's there. Everybody is advertising gambling, go on the slot machines, make a bet here, make a bet there. And although people say gamble responsibly, it's just so easy to say, oh, just another fiver. Gambling can impact your home life. You're ignoring your family, you're getting evicted because you've not paid your rent. It can lead to serious mental health problems because you're worrying about what you're going to do and how you're going to pay your bills. If there's somebody out there with financial worries, find your local service. There are services and hubs available in your local area. Find them, go and have a chat. If you don't know what to do, go and see them. Stop worrying about it. Go and see them and ask for the help. With ICANN, if it's 10 minutes, 2 hours, we're there for you. If you need further follow-up and phone calls, we can do that as well. If you need to come back and see us for another 2 hours, we'll do that for you as well. If you don't want to talk, you don't have to. But obviously, the more you talk, the better you feel. For me, seeing somebody work through addiction, they'll come to us, they're terrified. And to see them in 6 months, 12 months' time, a totally different person, to see that is worthwhile. It really is.
It's all about feeling secure, confident and empowered with your money. Organisations like yours are making a big difference to financial wellbeing.